Jimmy Brown here, fishing on a creek with live minnows. This one here looks pretty tasty. Let's go see if we can land another bass. Got one on. Nice one stacked up. Check that out. Not ready to give up. Come here. Holy cow. Look at the size of that one. And that's what we've been looking for right there. I'll show you before I get the hook out. Look at the markings on that fish. Isn't that pretty? It's a solid smallmouth right there. Probably about 2 pounds. Whew. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching Jimmy Brown Fishing. Let's catch another one.